Indiana Disability History Project, Indiana Institute on Disability and Community, Indiana University. The Love Grows Stronger. Danielle Pitmon.
I actually have felt like a girl my whole life. I just suppressed it, ignored it because I was a foster child at the time. And I really didn't know what really I was feeling entirely. I just knew I was different. I knew I liked a lot of things that girls liked, and I liked doing a lot of things that girls like to do. And girls I found were easier to be friends with than anything else. Yeah, it was about mid-90s or a little earlier that I actually started talking with a counselor, a therapist, about what I was going through, and that was before me and Frankie actually met, me and Diane actually met, that I started that. And so I went through a lot of emotions, trying to figure out everything, trying to figure out who I am and who I was. And once I found Diane, I actually stopped going to see the therapist because I figured, okay, well, I found someone I love, found someone I can get along with and really bond with good, and maybe I could just push it aside. Well, I tried that. Yeah, emphasis on tried.
Diane Pitmon.
She was telling me all about this, and she was feeling like I needed something to tell you. And she told me that I feel like a woman inside. So I went through the motions of anger, upset, I was crying, and I thought about it and thought I was, for a couple, actually a month later, I said, hey, we were still together, and I said, hey, I love you, no matter who you are, but what matters is your personality, your attitude, and your loving and caring. And that's what I fell in love with, not the body.
Our relationship hasn't really changed that much in my view. It just made us actually closer together and made us love each other even more, because it's a relationship that's based on what's inside, not outside, and what's in our minds or in our hearts. And that's the way most relationships should be.
The start of our relationship, I think, was just a lot of love that she had for me and a lot of love that I have for her. And it grew bigger and bigger. And it's kind of like, just a little quick, like that cartoon, The Grinch Stole Christmas. And that part that the heart got bigger and bigger. I think when our relationship got bigger and it grew more and more, that we loved each other so much that we just can't live without each other.
Nope. It's just a very strong spiritual bond between us. So she would say it was spiritual. I would say basically it's just connected energy between us that is perfect. And we just really think the same. We basically think the same. We do the same things. We both identify on a lot of stuff that we both do together and like.
And sometimes
it's just like almost like we're just one all the time.
And sometimes we almost finish
answer
the
each
same
other's sentence. Yeah, I think our relationship has definitely blossomed and grown even more, and it's just, we're inseparable.
Yeah.
There's no way nothing could take us apart from one another.
Music, Redwood Trail. Produced by Indiana Institute on Disability and Community, Center for Health Equity. Funded in part by the Indiana Governor's Council for People with Disabilities. Copyright 2018, the Trustees of Indiana University.